Hi, it's Noe with WTI, and where we live, we are known for our coffee. So if you're a coffee lover like me, then you're going to love this pour over drip coffee maker from Kavako. This pour over drip coffee maker is in a league of its own. It makes the perfect cup of coffee. It comes with this beautiful leather wrap that allows you to be able to hold the glass with ease as it gets warm. What was nice is that it came with a little pamphlet as well, so that if you're just a beginner, you can know exactly what measurements you'll need in order to make the perfect cup of coffee. I've been wanting to try a pour over drip coffee maker for quite some time, but I didn't know which one would be the right one. And let me tell you, I am not disappointed in this one. I love that this coffee maker is unique in that it actually does have the cup measurements on the side, and that is super helpful for me determining how much coffee or how much liquid I actually want to pour over. So if I want to make one big batch and have iced coffee later, I can do that. I love that it washes very easily, and everything of course is reusable, so you don't have to worry about buying filters. So if you're looking for the perfect cup of coffee and want to try something different, then I highly recommend this pour over drip coffee maker from Kavako. And that's my point of view.